Hello, dear colleagues. I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to see you on our conference, and I want to present our topic about interactive technology, which used during the study of the universe. Why universe? Because I am astronomy. Because I like astronomy, and astronomy is the science about the universe. Its a structure, its development as a whole, and its object. Astronomy finished to study of all physics branches as well as formation and integrated scientific picture of universe. Universe is a big nature laboratory for demonstrating the use physical laws, phenomena, observation methods, defining physical parameters different sky object, and teacher must demonstrate it in all the classes. The active use of practical tasks, astronomical simulation, and integrative technology can also increase interest to the study material and improve understanding physics, nature, and really will form integrating scientific picture of the world. Nowadays, school program in astronomy uses historical approach to its study. Unfortunately, a few hours are devoted to study of the universe issue, and practical tasks are almost not provided. The practical consistent educational material can be realized through the use of application and simulators for computers or mobile phones. It is actually expensive, especially during distance learning. We suggest to use interactive techniques such as interactive online boards, iDroom, Miro, Twilio, etc. Uh, Online research or interactive presentation, word arts, answer garden, Menti, and others. For example, platform I'm sorry for Ukraine because it's a real answer of these peoples. Platform Menti allows us to create presentation for problem question. The results can be seen on the screen at once in the form of a word cloud, open answer, a choice of one or more question, and so on. Constant interactive cooperation with the class allows support students' attention and their communication. At beginning of the lesson, such questions facilitate knowledge actualization, checking students' lower of answered of the topic. Problem-based education organization in the end of the lesson. It can be checking of knowledge mastering, the level of understanding and information comprehensions. This research offer uses the interactive technologies during the study of the topic the universe. These technologies were offered to the senior schools students and students of our university while studying in the courses astronomy and modern concept of the universe. Interactive boards used for more clear and difficult questions, such as what is most widespread chemical element in the universe, what is the size of universe, how is the age of the universe defined, and many other questions, uh, and answer pupil and students finding during the lecture. The platform as Pret, Edera, Learning, and others are completely used as interactive instrument for studying physics, astronomy, mathematics, and other nature science. A significant amount astronomical simulation is offered by the group of astronomers of the University Nebraska-Lincoln. It is more difficult task and can be used for research the universe. The use simulation of the star arrangement on the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram should be used depending on the parameters many other object of the sky. An animation of coins attach a balloon, providing an analogy or to the explanation of the university. The coins represented galaxies which maintain their scale while space between them grows. There are many others simulation which was used on our lesson. So, interactive technologies allow to create a more dynamic and interesting environment for the study that contributes to activization of students' cognitive and motivation process. Virtual laboratory enable students to conduct experiments and research in safe and controlled environment. Mobile application and games may stimulate interest in the study and encourage creativity and innovation digital skills. In the research, we have such a service as interactive board for new concept and terms, interactive presentation for actualization and knowledge, frontal questioning, material, and problem-based issue consolidation. Computer mobile application and simulation for practical tasks. The technologies of interactive learning appear during distant learning and also during the study of the natural science in the cases when the real demonstration or experiment cannot be conducted. In such cases, interactive technologies help to use problem-based issues, and the simulation used to realize practical works and tasks. During the study of the universe at the astronomy classes, interactive learning forms facilitate not only students' activization, but also an effective way for forming scientific picture of the world. In the research, it is offered to change the approach to the study of the topic, the universe. It will enable to allocate time for conduction practical tasks, which will be realized through the use interactive technologies and simulations. As a result of the use interactive technologies indicate that this formula of learning makes students active participants of the education process, increase the level of interrelation between teacher and students, personalize it of the educational process, and as a result, the effectiveness of mastering knowledge, students, and interesting and motivation increase. It develops their critical and analytic thinkings, communicative skills, and skills in the experience their thoughts. This work will be continue for change school program astronomy and use a more practical tests. I am very thank you for attention, very thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, I can answer for it.